Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. In the previous class you have learned scientific notation. Today also I am going to continue same chapter 2 real numbers. In the real numbers I am going to continue scientific notation. In the previous class I have given two problems as homework. Have you all completed? Okay, students, take your homework note and check the answers. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. Exercise 2.8, third problem. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. 3 lakhs the whole square into 20,000 the whole power 4. First, we have to take 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs we have to convert into scientific notation. 3 lakhs, how we want to convert into scientific notation? First 3 into, next how many digits we moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit left. 5 digit left. 5 digits left means we have to write 10 power 5. Next 20,000. First 2 into 2. The number is 2. Okay. Non-zero number is 2 into decimal place. How many digits we moved? 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 2 into 10 power 4. We have to write it. Next 3 lakhs the whole square into 20,000 the whole power 4. It's equal to 3 lakhs. In place of 3 lakhs, we have to write 3 into 10 power 5 the whole square. 3 lakhs the whole square. So 3 into 10 power 5 the whole square. Next into 20,000 in place, we have to take 2 into 10 power 4. 2 into 10 power 4 the whole power 4. 2 into 10 power 4 the whole power 4. Now, here we have to use a into b the whole power m. A into b the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. So, we can write 3 power 2 into 10 power 5 the whole square. Here also we can write 2 power 4 into 10 power 4 the whole power 4. 3 square is equal to 9. Again here we are using a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 10 power 5 into 2. Here also 2 power 4 means 16. Here 10 power 4 the whole power 4 means 10 power 4 into 4. It's equal to 9 into 16. This number together we are taking 9 into 16. Here 10 power 10. 5 2s are 10 into 10 power 16. Next 9 into 16 is equal to 144. 144 into 10 power. Here we are using, here base is same base. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n property we want to use. When we are using that, what we are getting? 144 into 10 power 10 plus 16. 10 power 10 plus 16. Next, now is it in scientific notation 144? No, in scientific notation before the decimal point only one non-zero number should be there. Non-zero digits should be there. So it is not in scientific notation. First you want to convert this into scientific notation. So 1.44 into how many place we moved the decimal point? 2 place. So 10 power 2. Already 10 power 10 plus 16. 10 power 26. It's equal to 1.44 into 10 power. Again we are using this property a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 10 power 2 plus 26. It's equal to 1.44 into 10 power 28 is the answer. Next, 0.000001 the whole power 11 divided by 0.005 the whole cube. This also we have to write in scientific notation. First, we want to convert this number into scientific notation. For converting in scientific notation, how we can write this? 1 into, how many places we move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place right. 6 place right means we have to write 10 power minus 6. Next 0.005 is equal to 5 into. Okay, non-zero number here 5. So we have to write 5 into. How many place we move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. 3 place right. So we want to write 10 power minus 3. Next, we have to select this number 0.000001 the whole power 11. The question whole power 11 is there. Divided by 0.005 the whole cube. It's equal to this. We can write in this form also. 0.000001 the whole power 11 divided by 0.005 the whole cube. We can write like this also. In place of 0.000001 we can write 1 into 10 power minus 6. In place of 0.005 in place we can write 5 into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube. So it's equal to 1 power 11. Okay, we can write a power a into b the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. So we can write 1 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 the whole power 11 divided by this we can write 5 cube into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube. It's equal to 1 power 11 means 1. 1 power 11 is equal to 1 into here a power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 10 power minus 6 into 11. Next 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. This one a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 10 power minus 3 in power the whole cube is equal to 10 power minus 3 into 3. So it's equal to 1 into 1 power 11 means 1 only. 1 into 10 power 6 11s are 66. 10 power minus 66. Here 5 into 5 into 5 means 125. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 125 into 10 power 3 3s are 9 minus 9. It's equal to, next we have to divide 1 by 125. 1 by 125 is equal to 0.008. 1 by 125. How we have to divide? First 0 point, here 1 0. Now see here 10 is less than 125. So here 1 0 you want to substitute and here also 1 0 you have to add. Now 100 is less than 125. So you want to write again, include one more 0. Now 1000 is greater than 125. Now 125 into 8 means what we are getting? 5 8s are 40. 4 balance. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 4. 16 plus 4. 20. 2 balance. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. It's equal to 8 times 1000. 8 times 1000. 0 balance. So what is the answer? 0.008 into 10 power minus 6 minus 66. This one 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. Here power is in the denominator. Denominator minus is there means when we are taking in the numerator, the power minus power will be changed as plus power. So we can write 10 power minus 66 into 10 power 9. 1 by 125 we can write 0.008 into 10 power minus 66. This one when we are taking here 10 power 9. Again we want to convert this into scientific notation. So we can write 8 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Here 10 power minus 66 plus 9. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 10 power minus 66 plus 9 is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 66 plus 9. 10 power minus 57 is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 3 plus minus 57 is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 60 is the answer. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.8 third problem, third one. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. 0.00003 the whole power 6 into 0.00005 the whole power 4 divided by 0.009 the whole cube into 0.005 the whole square. We have to represent this into scientific notation. First number I am taking that 0.00003 the whole power 6. Without power I am taking this number. Here how many places before the decimal point is there? Here after the decimal point how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. 5 digits are there. So when we are writing this in scientific notation, what we will be getting? 3 into decimal place. Now it is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 place we want to move right side. So we can get 10 power 5. 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. Next 0.00005 the 5 is equal to, now where is the decimal place? How many digits before? After the decimal place how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits we are moving the decimal point. So what we can write? 5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. Whether it is clear? Next 0.009 is equal to decimal point. Here how we can write in scientific notation? 9 into 1, 2, 3. 10 power minus 3. Next 0.05 is equal to 5 into 1, 2. 2 place 2 digits. Right side we are moving the decimal point. So we can write 10 power minus 2. Now 0.00003 the whole power 6 into 0.00005 the whole power 4 divided by 0.009 the whole cube into 0.05 the whole square. It's equal to, we can substitute the scientific notation. In place of 0.00003 we can substitute 3 into 10 power minus 5 in the whole power 6 into, in place of 0.00005 we can substitute 5 into 10 power minus 5. whole power 4. Next, divided by, in place of 0.0009, we can write 9 into 10 power minus 3. Whole cube into, in place of 0.05, we can substitute 5 into 10 power minus 2. The whole power whole square. Clear this? Have you understand this? We are substituting the scientific notation of these values. Now again a power m into a into b, the whole power m is equal to a power m plus b, a power m into b power m, a into b, the whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. So 3 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 6 is equal to 3 power 6 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 6. Here also when we are substituting 5 power 4 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 4. Divided by, here also 9 power 3 into 10 power minus 3, the whole power 3. Here also 5 square into 10 power minus 2, the whole square. Have we all understand this? First we are substituting a into b, the whole power m. So 3 power 6 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 6. 5 power 4 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 4. 9 power 3 into 10 power minus 3, the whole cube. Next 5 power 2 into 10 power minus 2, the whole square. Now what's the value of 3 power 6? 3 power 6 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 5, the whole power 6 means 10 power minus 5 into 6. Next 5 power 4 into 10 power. 5 power 4 means 5 power 4 means we can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 4 divided by 9 power 3 means what we are getting? 9 power 3. 9 power 3 means 9 into 9 into 9 into 10 power minus 3, the whole cube means 10 power minus 3 into 3. A power m, the whole power n means a power m into a. Next 5 square. 5 into 5 into 10 power minus 2 into 2. Is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 27. 7 7s are 49, 4 balance, 7 2s are 14, 18, 7 2s are 14, next 1 balance, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 9 2 7. So 729 into 10 power minus 5 into 6, 10 power minus 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Next 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25. 2 balance, 2 10 12. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance, 4 5 is equal to 625 into 10 power minus 20. 10 power minus 20. Next 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. 729 into 10 power minus 30 minus 3 3s are 9. Next here 5 5s are 25. Otherwise we can cancel from here also. When we are cancelling, what we are getting? 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Here also 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Next 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Next 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Here 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. So here 1 we are getting. Here 1 5 is 5. Here also 1 5 is 5. Here also 5 5 we can cancel. So what we are getting here? What we are getting here? So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 10 power minus 30 into 10 power minus 20. Okay. 5 5s are 25. First I got taken this number. Here no number. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 we are getting. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 10 power minus 30 into 10 power minus 20. Divided by, here no numbers are there. So 10 power minus 9. 3 3s are 9. Here also 10 power minus 4. 2 2s are 4. So it's equal to 25 into 10 power minus 30 into 10 power minus 20. This 10 power minus 9 from the denominator, when we are taking in numerator, 10 power 9 will be get. Here this is also 10 power minus 4. When we are taking from the denominator to numerator, 10 power 4 will be get. So it's equal to 25. We can write 2.5 into 10 power 1. 2.5 into 10 power 1. Next this one, 10 power minus 30 plus minus 20. Next a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This also 10 power 9 plus 4 is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 1 into this minus 30 plus minus 20 means minus 30 plus minus 20, 10 power minus 50 into 10 power 13, 10 power 13. So it's equal to 2.5 into 10 power 1 plus minus 50 plus 13 is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 1 plus 13, 14 minus 50 plus 14. It's equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 50 plus 14 means 50 minus 14. 6, 3. 10 power minus 36. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 36 is the answer. Have you all understand this? First we want to write this number in scientific notation. So what we are getting? 0.0003 into power 6 for 3 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 6. Next 0.0005 the whole power 4 for 5 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. Next 0.09009 the whole cube is equal to 9 into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube. Next 0.05 the whole square is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. It's equal to 3 power 6 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 6. 5 power 4 into 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. 9 power 3 into 10 power minus 3 the whole power 3. Next 5 square into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So equal to 3 power 6 for, we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 5 into 6 minus 5 into 6. Next 5 into 5 power 4 for 5 power 4. So we can write 5 power 4 for 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 4. Next 9 power 3 for 9 into 9 into 9 into 10 power minus 3 into 3. Next 5 square in place, 5 into 5, 10 power minus 2 into 2. We can cancel this. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Next 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Next here also everything cancelling time. This here 1 will be get. Here also 5 into 5. Here also 5 into 5 we can cancel. So what number is remaining? 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 into 10 power minus 30. 5 10 power minus 5 into 4, 10 power minus 20 divided by 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 2. When we are simplifying, we are getting 2.5 into 10 power minus 36. Fourth question. Represent the following information in scientific notation. The world population is 7 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here, how many digits? 7 after how many zeros are there? How many zeros? 9 zeros are there, is it? So, how can we write it? How many digits before we want to put the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we can write 7 into 10 power 9. We move the decimal point left side. So, we can write 10 power 9. Next, 1 light year means the distance here 9 4 6 0 5 2 8 4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 kilometer. Here 9 point we have to write it. Next 9 point, after writing that, how many digits are there? How many digits are there? First we can write non-zero numbers. This number we want to write the same. 4 6 0 5 2 8 4 into 10 power. This after the point lost having 0 we can neglect that. So what can be write? How many place we move the decimal point? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 place we moved the decimal point. Which side? Right side or left side? Left side. Left side we moved means we can write which one? 10 power 15 plus 15. 10 power plus 15. This is the answer. Next, the mass of an electron is 0.00000. How many zeros are there? How many zeros? 30 zero after 9 is there. So, the mass of an electron is, how many zeros? We can count that. We want to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 digit we moved the decimal point. So what is the answer? What's the non-zero number? After 0 which digit is there? 9. 9 right, and after point 109382 into how many place we moved the decimal point? 31 place. Which side? Right side. So we want to write minus 31 kilogram is the answer. Here kilometer. Clear this? Any doubt? Any doubt? Have you understand the scientific notation? Okay. Thank you, students.